Welcome back to Random Recess, everyone. It's Abed and Chris, and we are in the cruise capital of Mexico.
It's Cozumel, baby. And as you can tell, we're not the only ones in port. We got the Carnival Breeze right next to us, the Carnival Pride right next to her, and I think there's a couple other ships in port as well, maybe a Royal Caribbean and a Princess Cruise. We've been followed around by that Princess Cruise all week. So, you know, Cozumel's super busy, and we're excited because we have an excursion today.
We're doing an official Carnival excursion called Mexology. We're going to take you along with us.
Yeah, apparently we get to go make some delicious margaritas, eat some delicious food, and hang out by a really pretty pool. I don't know. We're excited to show you what it's all about. We'll give you all the details, including pricing and our own thoughts after we finish, and let you know, is it worth it?
Y'all know what time it is.
It's recess time. Let's go get some drinks.
And we're off. This was our view earlier. There's the breeze. So our excursion is called the Ultimate Mexology, M-E-X, for Mexico. If you're interested in any of our excursion videos, we did do one in Amber Cove, which was fantastic. We also did a self-excursion at Nassau. So definitely check out our cruising playlist. There's a lot in there that may help you plan your next cruise. Cozumel Port is again considered to be the largest cruising capital of Mexico. Almost every ship comes here. It is very busy. There are a lot of excursions, a lot of shops, a lot of restaurants and bars. We're just going to hang out somewhere. Well, first we're going to find our group. So when you get a Carnival excursion, it tells you exactly what number to meet up with. And here we are. We are number 3. All right, once you come to your checkpoint, which is located on your ticket that they leave in your room, you'll come in and check in, and they'll give you a wristband. And then you just kind of wait, and they'll take you along, guide you to the bus, and we're going to take you along. Again, this is the Ultimate Mexology by Jose Cuervo, which is a Carnival excursion.
You say you don't want to get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't want to break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality, cause I can see.
All right, we made it to our excursion location. It actually houses multiple excursions, including cooking and dolphin swimming.
Yeah, it's called the Blu Resort, I believe, and you can just come here and visit if you want. It's a 10-minute ride from the port. Super easy. It's gorgeous. There's a nice infinity pool, and we're about to get our drink on, y'all. All right, we got our own little mixing stations here, a little bar setup. We got our little speed rail, mats, all the tools, shakers, 1.5 ounces of tequila. We're using Jose Cuervo silver tequila. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces. Is that the small end or the bigger end? Bigger end. All right, so we got 1.5 ounces of tequila, 1.5 ounces of orange liqueur. So far we're doing good. 1 ounce of lime juice. 1 dash, oh, that's a lot. All right, 1 and 2 of simple syrup. 1 scoop of ice. Lime and then salt rim the glass. All right, so we just finished with our margarita clásica. Beautiful. Am I a professional bartender yet? All right, jalapeno margarita time. We're gonna go 1 jalapeno and 1 sprig of rosemary. Boom. All right, then 1.5 ounces of orange liqueur. All right, we got our orange liqueur. All right, and we're muddling, and we're muddling, and we're muddling. All right, we muddled the jalapeno with the rosemary in the orange liqueur. 1 ounce of lime juice. I could just be working at Alchemy right now. 1, 2. 1, 2.
And Chris is so nice, he's making my drinks and some filming.
1.5 ounces of tequila. A lime with the tajin. Ah!
A slice of orange or lime with it's rosemary.
Our jalapeno margaritas are complete. Cheers, cheers, salud! Ooh, that's delicious. All right, next we're gonna make some guacamole.
Guacamole like a real
This is a bed's forte, so we'll see how I do.
How is it?
All right, look at this cute little molcajete. So basically, we just mashed the avocados,
Congratulations.
seasoned them, and added the veggies. So really easy. And the lime juice.
Same thing.
Super easy.
Sorry.
All right, y'all, we're making margaritas and guacamole in Mexico. How cool is that? That deserves a thumbs up. Give this video a like and even a subscribe if you can. It's free and it really helps us out. We appreciate it. We gotta go make more drinks. So they just brought out some fish and shrimp ceviche, which is so cool. So I actually like in between your drinks, they have like little food breaks. So you can enjoy your drinks and also eat a little something because we've had like three, 4 shots already. So, you know, it helps. Ooh, and the octopus? Hell yeah. All right, so the ceviches were delicious. They give you a fish, a shrimp, and an octopus. The shrimp one was good, but the fish and the octopus ceviches were really good. So flavorful, delicious. And they also serve it with house-made tortilla chips, which is a nice touch. Those are delicious as well. All right, so this is the lunch menu. It's actually not a buffet. You'll just order off of the lunch menu, but you can see that they have you know, house salad, chicken fajita, quesadillas. They have hamburgers, nachos, and they have like fish fillets. So a good variety. And again, it's included with the price. So the $99.99 includes the lunch, and you get to eat the lunch, enjoy the dolphins, enjoy the view. It's not a bad deal. All right, y'all, we're halfway through this excursion, and I gotta say, so far so great. It's worth it just from the first half alone, and I can't wait to see what we do in the second half. A few pros. It's a very small, kind of like more intimate group. I think there's maybe like 20 people here, if that. So, you know, you get to stay with your group. It's not overwhelmingly crowded. The food has been fantastic. You have a beautiful view of the ocean at this resort and the dolphins. The class is held kind of outside under a bunch of fans in the shade, which is nice. So, you know what? I would do this again just from the first half. Others in our group have said the same thing, that they're really enjoying it so far. So, you know what? We're looking forward to the second half, and let's see what other drinks that we have to make. I think we're going to make a mojito, so stay tuned. And we're back. We're going back. We got to make a mango marg and a mojito. We updated our rail here. This is for mojitos for sure. Look at all that mint. Oh, yeah. I am the mango. We're pouring mango in here. I'm the mango. We got mango schnapps. We got mint. We got, looks like lemons. We got mango puree. I spilled mango schnapps all over me, so I smell like mango now. And now we're muddling, and we're muddling, and we're muddling. Ounce and a half of rum. All right, so we didn't shake the mojito, we stirred it. We more like churned it. And we're waiting on the hibiscus for the mango hibiscus mojito. Salud! Salud! Cheers. Ooh.
That is so good.
Ooh, it tastes like a flower.
It tastes really fresh.
It's so fresh.
So fresh.
Drink number 4, Pink Paloma. 1.5 ounces of tequila with the hibiscus, which he's adding right now. You're supposed to use the jiggers, but we're gonna just like freehand pour here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. A dash of orange liqueur. Oh yeah, shaking it. And we have our Pink Paloma. Beautiful, let's try it. That's my favorite one. That is so good. Oh my goodness, that's good. Okay, so we finished making the drinks, all 4 drinks. It was great, awesome class. Shout out to Eric, who is leading the excursion in the class and the bartending. He did a great job. So definitely make sure to tip the folks that are helping you out. We made sure to take care of him. He was awesome. He made the experience a lot of fun. All right, you guys, we just finished lunch here at the Mexology Excursion at the Blu Dolphinaris Resort.
Yeah, this is a great excursion. We've done a few excursions here in Cozumel, but yeah, the Ultimate Mexology by Jose Cuervo through Carnival is a must-do. We're definitely going to redo. We're going to bring our family here.
Yeah, I will say this. The drinks were fantastic. The appetizers they served were fantastic. The lunch is a little mediocre, kind of akin to what you get at other resorts, but nothing to write home about. It gets the job done. I mean, by the time you eat lunch, you're already pretty tipsy anyway, so kind of doesn't matter. But you're not coming here for fine dining, right? You're coming here to drink, and that's exactly what we did. So I had a blast. It was super chill. The vibes were great. Like I said, Eric, the bartender, was awesome, and now we're just going to chill by the water and watch the dolphins.
I would absolutely recommend this excursion. You know, we don't get anything by recommending it, but we hope that you watched it and got an idea of what it's like, but I would do this again.
Yeah, you know, oftentimes when you go to book an excursion, they have those reviews. Well, we use reviews in quotes, right? They're not that helpful, and that's kind of like what we ran into when we were looking up these reviews. It's just like they're really generic and don't give you an idea of what goes on the excursion. So hopefully this helped you guys out. We enjoy doing them. I wish there were more out there like this. So we're going to try to do as many as we can for all the excursions that we go on, so you guys know what to expect. So if you enjoyed it, if you got some use out of it, give this video a thumbs up. It really does help us.
All right, and with that, that's going to do it for this recess.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed coming along on this excursion with us. We're going to go back to the ship and probably take a shower because we're hot and it's hot here in Cozumel.
Right. So till next time, y'all.
We'll see you on the next recess.